Very good morning, my dear children. Let's start our today's English CB class. So yesterday I started the chapter that is I love my baby, and I explained the first page. Today I am going to explain second page, but before to do that, let's recall once what we learned in the previous class. So this story is basically what is written here, that every animal and mother, they all love their babies, right? And here, how do the animal care for their babies? It is discussed. We are learning that only how do the animals care for their babies. And yesterday we learned that about polar bear, mama, how mama polar bear they care for their babies. Then armadillo, we learned armadillo, the armadillo. The interesting thing is that mama armadillo gives birth to 4 babies at a time. Then we learned about, no, till armadillo only we learned yesterday. Then mama armadillo takes very good care of their babies until their plates grow and become hard. Until the plates grow and become hard, mama armadillo takes care, because before that they used to have that supple plates, means we can easily, that can easily be curved. So until it becomes grow and hard, mama armadillo takes care of their babies. Then mama takes them out of the burrow at night. Why does mama bring their babies out of burrow at night? So that no one can harm them. Then teaches them to feed and roll themselves into their coats so that no enemy can touch them. The armadillo is one hard round ball. When they keep themselves inside that hard coated part, no, it becomes one hard round ball. The little armadillos learn to catch insect and to recognize the plants they can eat. By that time, they learn that which plants they can eat. These all things their mother teaches them. Now, from this part, I'm going to teach today. Mama kangaroo keeps her baby in a pouch. Pouch means that a pocket type, no? So, mama kangaroo keeps her baby in a pouch. Baby kangaroo is called a joey. Another baby animal that stays in its mother's pouch is the opossum. It usually lives in water. When baby opossum are born, they are very tiny, have no hair and cannot see. So, mama kangaroo, they keep their baby in a pouch. You might have seen that, isn't it? That the baby kangaroo, mama kangaroo keeps her baby in a pouch. And when we see this kind of, we get very interested to see them, is right. So, a baby kangaroo is called joey, and they usually live in water. Now, another one is opossums are born. They are very, when they born, they are very tiny and they don't have any hair and they cannot see. So, up to the age of 8 weeks, they stay in their mother's pouch until they are able to make themselves to see. And up to the age of 8 weeks, the baby opossums, they stay in their mother's pouch to protect them. Then they come out and ride on her back. What funny, when the babies come out and they ride on her, that means on their mother's back. By now, they are covered with hair and can see. So, by the age of 8 weeks, they can see, and their hair also it grows. Have you seen a baby hippopotamus? It takes a ride on its mother's back when she swims in deep water. Have you seen a baby hippopotamus? That hippopotamus, it's a huge animal, right? So it takes a ride, baby hippopotamus, when they are baby, They take a ride on its mother back, and when she swims in deep water, because the baby they cannot go to the deep water, no. So what they used to do, they take a ride on its mother's back. One of the cleverest animal is the beaver. Mama beaver is a very good mother indeed. The babies are born in a dome-shaped hut on a river bank or by a stream. The most cleverest animal is beaver, and when they are born in a dome-shaped hut, that means the hut that is rounded roof, that has rounded roof. So they in that dome-shaped hut they born. When they are old enough, Mama Beaver takes them out into the river where they quickly learn to swim and catch fish. So as they grow up a little, what their mama does, the mama beaver brings them into the river and teach them how to learn how to swim and how to catch fish. That means to catch the how to hunt. Okay. However, baby beaver must also learn to build dam. So dam is what? Structure that built across a river or stream. You might have seen that dam. So it's their unique feature that they have to learn to build a dam. For that is what beavers do. Mama beaver takes her little one to the bank, teaches them to gnaw at trees, and cut them up into logs 2 or 5 feet in length. Then they must learn to roll the logs into the river. The little beaver learned to fill the gap in the logs with stones and plaster them. Now, what do beavers do? They make dam. Okay. So after that, cutting the leaves into logs of 2 to 5 feet in length, then their mother teaches them how to push the log into the river or how to roll the log into the river. When the logs are rolled down into the water, some gap still it's there, and that gap has to be filled with stones. Baby bear, they learn how to fill the gap in the logs with stones and cover the logs with mud. So this is the explanation of this part. Okay. So after that, little beavers lead a very busy life, and Mama beaver makes sure that they learn their lessons well. A baby elephant remain a baby for very long. Elephants keep on growing till the age of 20. Of course, they can look after themselves much before that. So you see, in nature and mother, mother and babies have a special bond.